morning, guys. How you doing? Who do we have here?
Jason. Mike.
What are we doing today?
We're skydiving.
Oh yeah, you trust him to take you out of an airplane?
You're crazy.
You trust me to take you out of an airplane?
Hell yeah.
All right.
Me too.
Whose idea was this?
My idea.
All right. Anything you want to say to anybody watching this video?
We're having a blast. Good times.
All right. Let's go have some fun. Love you, Mom.
You were blasting off. Here we go. High five. High five.
High five. Let's do it.
Do it.
Oh yeah! We found an airplane. We're gonna go skydiving.
Let's do it.
One more high five.
Oh yeah, bring it back. Let's go skydiving. How do you feel? Oh yeah! Was it like you remember 30 years ago?
I didn't get to fall that long.
It was a good free fall, huh?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite part?
Why else do it?
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Do you think everybody should try skydiving?
Only once.
That's right. You heard it right here. Skydive Colorado Springs. Thank you for coming out. You're a rock star.